This is a ready meal in a jar, pasta with tomato sauce for days when you can't cook. I pour water into the pot and wait for the water to boil. While I wait for the water to boil, I will make the sauce. I will cut the tomatoes into larger pieces. I will cut an onion into larger pieces. I need a blender. I put onions, tomatoes, two cloves of garlic. I add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of basil. I add half a liter of water. And I will grind all this. I put pasta in boiling water and cook it for 2 minutes. Now I need clean and wash jars. Fill the jars with pasta. When the electricity went out and I couldn't cook, a jar like this was a meal. Do not fill the jars to the top. I add a spoonful of 9% vinegar to each jar. I add a teaspoon of olive oil. Fill the jars with tomato sauce to cover the pasta. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I'll wipe the top of the jar. And I close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. And I put the jars in the pot. I pour lukewarm water into the pot, up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of cooking, I take the jars out of the pot. Store the jars in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.